How to upscale video quality in Capcut. Hello everyone, I'm Hannah here to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Capcut application. Now after this, click on the project that you want to increase the quality of. After clicking on the project, simply click on the option of edit and then swipe to the right and then click on the option of adjust. And then here you need to make small changes like increase or decrease the brightness, saturation, contrast, or whatever you want to make changes. And as you can see here, the video's quality has been upgraded and it is looking very nice and very good than the previous video. So this is the final look. It looks so much better than the previous one. And in this way you can upgrade your video quality in Capcut. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.